This website pays ladies to chat and flirt with lonely men. And even though you're a guy, you can still make money on this website, but I will explain later in the video. I made over $1,000 chatting on this secret website. Do you want to know how? Then hit the like button and take some snaps while I take you through the tutorial. Are you a pretty girl scrolling endlessly on social media? This opportunity might be for you. Check out ladies who are cashing out on this site daily with just 2 to 4 hours of chatting. As you can see here, make money by chatting on this website. Other ways you can get paid include text chat, video calls, roulette, affiliate program, get paid to refer people to this website, great opportunity for men to earn too, voice calls, content sale, and tips. And you must read this criteria for application on your screen and abide by it to get a chance of getting approved to make money on this website. Can men make money from this website? Yes, but you must not disguise or pretend to be a lady by using a fake lady's image. This is against their guidelines. But I have better news for men. Both genders can register as an affiliate. There are millions of folks on social media looking to join platforms like this just to chat with ladies. You share your affiliate links with them when they sign up and get paid $2, and when they start purchasing credits on the website to chat with ladies, you will earn $20 per referral. Imagine referring 10 people in a day just to join. That's $20 when they sign up and $200 when they start chatting with ladies by purchasing credits. Payment is weekly automatically to your bank account. What are you waiting for? Check my first comment on this post to find out more information about joining How WhatsApp channel community to get access to our secret websites to make money, online updates, and a link to this website with full explanation on how you can get started. Follow us for more updates like this.